The search bar has many features to help you navigate the Mountain Tarp website that go beyond just searching for specific items. The first helpful thing to know is you can search for items with dimensions by using an abbreviation or writing it out. For example, you can type in FT or you can write out feet to bring up any products with dimensions with feet in them. Another helpful shortcut is that you can type in location to bring up the Mountain Tarp map with all of the Mountain Tarp locations. From here, you can type in any specific location to bring up that location on the map. If you would like to learn more about Mountain Tarp and its products, a quick search for videos will take you to a page with informational videos that teach you about Mountain Tarp products. And lastly, you have the option to type in tax exemption to be taken to a tax exemption form, and you can type in About Us to be taken to our About Us page.